Welcome back to Stock and Drop. Today we are headed to C10 Fall Revival. It's actually Friday afternoon. Me and Chuck's headed on in. I'm actually in Sunburnt, first real drive, and everything's going pretty good so far. So we'll be there in a few minutes, and we'll catch back up with you. Nice to meet you. Your name is?
Jake.
Jake. My name's Todd.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir. Sweet Bettina hooked us up with this and wanted me to give it away to somebody, so I chose your truck.
I appreciate it.
I love it. So it's a what model?
69 C10.
69.
Yep.
And air ride, apparently.
Yeah, it's going full AccuAir E-level.
Okay. And the wheels? US
22-inch US mags.
US mags?
I think they're like 22 by 8.5 in the front, 22 by 12 in the rear.
Right.
I think.
And what's the drivetrain in it?
It's a 5.3 out of a 2002 Silverado with a 4L80.
Cool.
5.3 just has a little truck Norris cam, LS7 lifters, beehive springs, nothing crazy.
Cool. But this was my pick.
Well, I appreciate it.
I'm gonna give this to you, and
because I really wanted to try this out on this rusty, dry turd.
Well,
I'd like to give a little shine.
It would definitely will. It'll kind of make it a little more wet, like you were talking about earlier. And
yeah, the truck looks good when she's wet, but yeah, she dries instantly and gets that dry. Well, what she looks like.
Yep.
I'd love to have a little shine to it, but I don't want to clear it. It took what 50-something years to get like this.
Yeah.
I don't want to mess it up with clear.
I understand.
No one can copy this.
That's
why I like it.
Mother Nature made it.
Yeah. Yeah. I can't copy it. No painter can copy it.
That's exactly right. But yeah. And you're from where?
Hampton, Virginia.
Hampton, Virginia.
Yeah, it took us about 5 hours to get here.
Okay.
Rolling down 85, going 85. Truck cruise is great.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a rider.
Oh.
Yeah, we were flying past everybody. I was not from here, so I just didn't care. Just let her eat. I was like, I hope there's no cops anywhere.
Yeah.
But, nah, it was cool.
Good deal. Is this your first time to the show?
Yeah, first time ever going.
Oh, really?
And this is a ridiculous turnout.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
It's massive.
We're definitely going to come next year and so on.
Yeah,
nah, this is cool. I was surprised by all the vendors.
Yeah.
That's insane.
They had a ton of vendors this year, so.
Yeah, no, that's insane. No, this place is really cool, and then for a free show,
yeah,
man, you can't beat it.
That's exactly right.
No, this is cool.
All right.
Well, hey, man, I appreciate this.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
And y'all have a safe trip home.
Thank you.
All right. Appreciate it.
Have a good one, man.
You too. Do you care if I film it?
No, gosh, no. At least you asked. Kyle didn't even ask.
I know, he just runs up to you
runs
and
up
like,
with a camera.
Where do you want me to be? Can I get a picture? Y'all get a picture?
yeah.
Yeah, I would do it on this.
On
Come
this
over
side
here.
of you? Okay.
Or at least behind me right here. Or like right there.
Okay.
If I can get my own decal.
Yeah, they're kind of aggravating sometimes.
You had a good time?
Yeah, I'm exhausted.
Me too, man. My feet hurt. I even wore different shoes from yesterday trying to prevent it. And it's
Sometimes just a change in the shoe helps too.
Yes, for sure.
Make sure I get this joker on here straight. I didn't. Hold on.
If I do this wrong,
I'm not gonna hold it against
no,
you.
I'll get you another decal. There we go. That'll be straight right there. There you go, bud.
Awesome.
You beat.
All right, so that's a wrap for C10 Fall Revival 2025. This place was packed today. I've never seen so many trucks in my life in one place. So met a lot of great folks, new people that I've connected with online, and gave away some stickers. Shout out to Blake and Terry at Sweet Patina. They hit me up the other night and asked me if I would be interested in parking Sunburnt in the Sweet Patina booth. So I was like, I've got to take this opportunity. So thank you to Blake and Terry for being so courteous and kind, helping me kind of get my name out there a little more. Met Cade with Rusto Mod, talked with him quite a bit today. And Crossthread Garage, met him and talked with him some today. And it's just cool to get out to a show and network and find different people and kind of connect with people that you follow. So thanks to Chuck for running around with me today, helping me do different things. And shout out to Asher. He helped me film a segment on this video. So you'll see his G10 van in this video. So yeah, that's a wrap. I'm exhausted. It has been a long day. It is currently 5 o'clock in the afternoon and we've been here all day long. Walking, talking to people, just running around like a chicken with her head cut off. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff on Instagram, Facebook, of course YouTube, TikTok, and we will see you on the next video.